Welcome to the guide on how to reset your computer installed with Windows 11. Let's dive straight into the task. Start by clicking on the Start button, located on your desktop. The next step is crucial, where you need to access the Settings tab. You can find this option displayed in the Start menu. Within the System settings, look for the Recovery option. This one is slightly nested, so it might take you a minute to find it. Here you will see a few options available for resetting your system. One of them, labeled Reset PC, is what we'll use. Upon clicking Reset PC, Windows 11 will give you two choices, either to keep your files or remove everything. Choose according to your necessity. The next few steps are self-explanatory as guided by Windows 11. Simply follow the directions and initiate the resetting process. And that's it, you have successfully reset your computer with Windows 11. Remember, resetting needs to be conducted responsibly as it impacts the overall functioning of your computer.